I often get asked by people, are they, legally entitled to sell their property without using an agent or doing it on their own? And the answer is very simple. I mean, you can dispose of your asset any way you like. There's nothing wrong, and in fact, most government websites have a little, there's a page on how to sell your own property and that you're entitled to do it. If your neighbor knocks on your door and says, I'd like to buy the property, there's absolutely nothing wrong with you entering into an agreement with him or anybody else and selling your own property. So you do not need to use an agent, and you're obviously perfectly legally entitled to do it on your own, or use a service like ours where we kind of help you do it on your own, but we help you find multiple buyers to come, or tenants, depending on what you're trying to do. But you're certainly entitled and legally encouraged to do it on your own. In fact, if you look at the laws, the consumer protection laws, they're really to protect would-be landlords and vendors from estate agents. That's what those laws are all about. It's not really to protect you from the buyer or the tenant, but it's more really to protect you from the agent. So there's a lot more unpleasantness and manipulation in that space, the space between the relationship between an agent and his client is a lot more complex than one thinks. And doing it on your own, you obviously don't have any of that because there is no agent. So you're able to do it, honestly, properly, and very encouraged and legally acceptable.